Disheartening and disrespectful to the President of the Republic of Kenya for Sonko to allude and purport that he signed the agreements while intoxicated at State House. It is common knowledge that Sonko signed the main deed of transfer and later signed an addendum. Is he saying that he was under the influence on two different occasions? Is he always under the influence? Is he saying that State House is a brewery? Is he saying that the president endorsed drunkenness while signing such an important document? A leader who is not ashamed to accept in public that he acts under the influence of alcohol or other substances should not be allowed to even chair a village cattle dip committee, leave alone being governor of a very important capital city. Indeed, NMS under the leadership of Major General Mohamed Badi has not disappointed, and the turnaround in service delivery in Nairobi cannot be understated. Within only 100 days of existence, we have seen a complete transformation of the CBD. Water is no longer a pre-election promise, with over 200 boreholes already drilled in Nairobi. Mukuru slums will no longer be the same. One can now fish in Nairobi River. Mishuki Park has been redeemed. The Grogan Road is almost complete, and grabbed public utilities are being reclaimed. The General has also promised a lot in areas of transport and health, where each sub-county is going to have a hospital by close of the year. With Badi's 100 days track record, we have a reason to believe again.
So one thing we love to remind Sonko is that he's not going to impeach Erachi. If he is trying that, I think in any case, we sponsored his motion to be removed. We are going to get back to that and we are going to remove him because he's already a failure. We really don't care about him. But in any case, by tomorrow, we are going to start the impeachment motion about Sonko because he has let us down. We have got nothing to do with him. He should allow Major Generali to continue serving the people of Nairobi.
We cannot be self-fear. You know, Sonko is selling to us fear that if we do this, all MCAs will be out. We are not yet afraid anymore. We are only 2 years to go. So if to dissolve the county, so be it. Because you cannot allow a county whereby one person, individual person, is holding the entire county ransom with the theatrics and jokes. NMS should take over the county and we all go home.